What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This video, I didn't get a chance to record an intro into this video, so this will be that. This video is the preparation of putting the new engine into the car, getting everything prepped, getting the engine in the car, and finishing it up. So just wanted to make this video since I didn't get a chance. I was just in the moment of recording some time lapse and just, you know, little things just about my day, you know, as a tech in the shop. So this video introduction, enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in a moment. Alright, come on. Where am I here? Alright, so we got it in. It's in there. I just gotta button everything up, get everything going, and we should be good to go. I should have this running before the end of day today. I'm excited. So it was a bit of a pain. I had to call in some help to get it in, but it's in there. We got it in there, so I'm happy. That's gonna be it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification so that you don't miss when I'm dropping more content. I got some other things in the works. I'm working on some things. There's another video coming out soon. My Road to 7 Stock 2024 is a series that I'm working on, so I got some content coming with that. So again, hit that post notification bell so that you don't miss when I'm dropping another video. And until then, guys, peace.